Welcome to the Muxall Open IoT channel. I am your host, Michael Klein. Okay, so I was testing the purple beta unit, the Muxall Pro BBQ Controller beta purple. All right, and this happens, and this happens. I don't know what causes this, but as you can see, there's no numbers or anything, and there's no vertical lines on this graph at all. It's just blank, except for the horizontal lines. I don't know why. And I don't know, it's not my code. It has something to do with the web browser not refreshing this. But the fix for this is fairly easy. You just hit, and I actually wrote the code for this button right here just because of this problem. And I don't think it does it in Chrome. This might just be a Firefox thing, but if you see it in other web browsers, let me know, would you? But anyway, to fix this is very simple. Just hit the refresh button, and everything pops back up. And what's happening in the background is I'm just basically initializing the graph again, right? And you can also clear it and then redraw it, but it's going to, you don't want to do that in the middle of a run. You'll lose a bunch of data. And but the clear button works really good if you're starting, if you're going to do a second cook or something happened in the first cook, you need to stop and restart again. You got, you don't want the old graph anymore. You can just clear it out, right? Okay.